In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly export your contacts, leads, or deals from HubSpot and import them into Zoho CRM using CSV files. Whether you're transitioning your CRM platform or simply need to manage your data differently, this process is essential to ensure your information remains accurate and up to date. Let's start by exporting your data from HubSpot. First, you'll want to go into your HubSpot account and navigate to the section where your contacts, leads, or deals are stored. Once you're there, you have the option to export your data as a CSV file. This file format is convenient because it's universally readable and easily compatible with many different platforms. Just follow the prompts for exporting and you'll have your CSV file ready for the next steps. Now that we have our file from HubSpot, our next step involves a visit to Zoho CRM. You'll want to open Chrome and log into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're logged in, look toward the upper right corner for the Setup option. Clicking on it will give you several different configurations for managing your CRM data. From the Setup menu, scroll down to Data Administration. This is where the magic happens. Under this section, you'll see an option for Import. Clicking on this will prepare you to bring in all that valuable information you've just exported from HubSpot. Now, when prompted, you'll need to decide which module you're importing your data to: contacts, leads, or deals. This choice depends on the specific set of data you exported earlier. Make sure you select the correct module for accurate data placement within Zoho CRM. With the module selected, you'll then upload the CSV file you have on hand from HubSpot. Simply locate the file on your computer and confirm the upload to proceed. One of the most crucial steps in this process is mapping the fields. It's important to ensure that the fields from your HubSpot CSV file correctly correspond with the fields in Zoho CRM. This means aligning contact names, emails, phone numbers, and any other data points accurately between the two systems. Take your time on this step, as precise data mapping is key to a successful import. After mapping, review the import configuration to make sure everything looks correct. Once you're confident, go ahead and start the import process. Zoho CRM will bring in the data from your CSV file and integrate it into the module you selected. Finally, once the import process concludes, it's vital to check for any duplicates or errors. Zoho CRM might provide a brief report indicating any potential issues, and this gives you the opportunity to clean up your data swiftly to ensure everything is in perfect order. By following these steps, you'll have successfully migrated your data from HubSpot to Zoho CRM, setting yourself up for continued success in managing your contacts, leads, or deals efficiently.